Hello students, welcome back to another session of Agro Processing Industries. So in the earlier class we have discussed about the SWOT analysis. We have done a SWOT analysis of Agro Processing Industries and we have discussed what are the major opportunities and threats. So now we will see again what are the major strengths of this Agro Processing industries, and due to the changing food habits of the urban population also of the rural population nowadays, all the markets are available, all the products and services are available in the rural market also due to the infrastructural advancements and technological advancements. So the processing industry have a lots of to do with the rural and urban customers because of the changing food habits. So we'll see what are the major strength of the processing industries because of changing habits, changing food habits of the rural and urban people. So the first is changing food basket of consumer in urban India create a tremendous scope in the processing industries because of the ready to cook or ready to eatable items and the processed items. Most of the people are working people. So what they prefer is they do prefer ready to eatable or ready to cook products. So this have given a very big scope or it's a very big strength to the processing industry. Liberalization of the economy, then increasing nuclear families, since the number of families, the size of the family, even though the size of the family is low, the number of families has increased. As the number of families increases, the consumption have also been increased. So as the consumption increases, the processing industry is having large scope to expand. Both husband and wife are working, so this have impacted in a very positive way to the processing industry, because since both people are working, both are employed in a family, their purchasing power has increased. The purchasing power have increased. The purchasing power means they are able to purchase whatever thing they need. So since the purchasing power have increased, they are ready to purchase the goods and services which satisfies their needs. That means they are ready to purchase the processed items, so that which is easy for them to consume and ready to cookable items because of their busy work schedule or busy life. So that is again an kind of strength which is an opportunity, and family environment get more democratic. Then increasing kitchen appliances like the microwave and all those things, increasing importance to career development, entertainment and leisure than kitchen activities. Now most of the people want the working women want to spend, they will be having very limited time to spend in the kitchen. So whenever they spend time in kitchen, they want all the items available to them. They don't have time to mix, grind all these things. So what they prefer is they will be buying the batters, they will be buying the masalas which are ready to be ready to use or ready to cookable items. So this is again providing an opportunity. Then increasing the reach of audio visual media due to the promotion through advertisements or TV or radio or whatever be the social media, social platforms, it have influenced the people they got an idea about the processed item which are available in the market, for the usage, the advantage, and at the same time the time management. These processed food items or processing industry is saving much of the time of the working woman. The time which they spend in the kitchen can be reduced just because of the processing industries, and increasing the purchasing power of the middle class. Since the purchasing power, as we have discussed, both the men and women in the family is employed. So because of that, what happens, their purchasing power have increased. The purchasing power have increased, and since the purchasing power increased, they are ready to buy any kind of product which is giving ease for them to cook, or ease for them for their daily activities to be easy. And the type of food products mostly consumed are the ready to eat and ready to cook. The ready to eat are biscuits, chocolates, pickles, jam, jellies, pastas, the maggies and all, like they are. And ready to cook, like noodles of all kind, the maggies, processed meats, the frozen items, the frozen everything, all kind of frozen items, and the nuggets and all those things. So those are the ready to cook items. So I hope you have understood the major scope or the major strength of the processing industry of India. Thank you.